So what is the one thing that you like and what is the one thing that you hate about Hyderabad?
About Hyderabad, I hate that there's trash everywhere. It's horrible to take pictures, okay? One thing I like the people. They're nice, you know. You can trust them, most of them.
I'm originally not from here, so one thing I hate, probably the weather, just because it's too hot for me. But one thing I like, the fact that she's here.
Yeah, that's actually one thing I like too. And I was going to say the outer ring road here is really nice. And one thing I hate is the weather. It's very hot.
Way too warm.
Okay. So what is it that one thing that you like about Hyderabad and what is the one thing that you don't like about Hyderabad?
I don't like the traffic.
What do you like about it?
There are a lot of places, like a lot of fun things to do around here.
I like the nightlife in Hyderabad. And lately there is no nightlife in Hyderabad. I don't like that.
What is that one thing you like and also hate about Hyderabad?
Like basically I don't stay in Hyderabad, so I like every part of this city, the vibrance, the people, the culture. There's nothing more I would hate about Hyderabad.
I think I like the place, the climatic conditions of Hyderabad, but hate is the traffic.
I love Hyderabad. I'm living here from since 11 years, so I'm a total Hyderabadi. So I hate nothing. Yeah.
If there's one thing that you hate about Hyderabad and like about Hyderabad, what would it be? Hate and also like about Hyderabad.
Hate is the traffic.
Okay.
I was going to say that. Not much to like.
Really?
Like biryani, hate too much population.
Like the Charminar. And then I hate traffic, I guess.
Yeah, I hate traffic. I like biryani.
Okay. So what is that one thing that you like about Hyderabad and hate about Hyderabad?
One thing which I really like about Hyderabad is the food and people. Also good places to hang out. But then the things which I hate is Hyderabad is literally costly.
Costly?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I think it's changed over the last few years. So if you had to like one thing and hate one thing about Hyderabad, what would it be?
Like one thing and hate one thing. Actually, I have never seen full Hyderabad because I've always been in my home, so I don't think I hate anything about Hyderabad. But if I like it, then it will be people over here.
People are very friendly and stuff.
People are very friendly.
Okay. What is the one thing that you like about Hyderabad and what is it that you hate about Hyderabad?
Okay, I think the one thing I like is the food. I think I like the traffic. Yeah.
You like the traffic?
I don't like the traffic. Yeah.
And what do you like and what do you hate?
Right now I hate the weather.
Okay.
I like the amenities we have generally.
One thing that you like and also hate about Hyderabad?
Hyderabad. Nightlife is really good, and then there's nothing you can hate about Hyderabad.
It's like comfort zone for us. We can't tell anything for that. I think nightlife is bad because of Revant Reddy.
You can do whatever you want in Hyderabad. You have tons of freedom.
What is it one thing that you like about Hyderabad and what is the one thing that you hate about Hyderabad?
Oh, like the people. The people are really sweet here. But then there's not a lot of spots to go outside Hyderabad. Like weekend getaways.
Okay.
I mean, compared to other cities.
Yeah, I think same. I mean, I haven't lived in Hyderabad that long. I've just been here for like 4 or 5 years, I think. But like, I love the city actually, and I just love the vibe.
What is the one thing that you like about Hyderabad and hate about Hyderabad? What would it be?
Like about Hyderabad, I think actually I'm from Odisha, so I think maybe more like the people over here. I like the people over here. They're really friendly and helpful. And
what do you hate about it?
As of now, I don't hate anything. Maybe I hate my ex. That's all.
Is he from Hyderabad?
Yeah.
Okay.